and I'm going to show you reasons why we need a decent breaker bar. You don't have to pay big bucks for the snap-on or Mac tools and all that, unless you're going to use them all the time. But in my case, as a homeowner, change my wheels, do my brakes every so often, the SWANLAKE is where it's at. So we just got this in the mail not too long ago. Let's take it up, check it out, see what it's like. This is actually a 6-piece. You got a 6-inch extension, you got the smaller extensions. There's three sizes here. You got the 6-inch, which is real small, with a 1/4-inch drive on the end of it. And then you got the, a little tight. You got the 10-inch that has the 3/8 end on it. And then you have the 15-inch, which is the reason why I bought this one. And we're gonna try it out. It does come with a 6-inch extension. That way you can get in close to the tires. Let's try it out, see how well it works. And it's got nice, slick, smooth handle on it. Look how easy that works. What's nice is the extension, and it's a nice smooth finish on here with rounded edges is what I really like. I've used this one before and I thought I want to get a set for myself. A beautiful case, you can store it in your garage. Very nice case that you can put the pieces back into and not worry about losing them whenever you need it the next time. They're all there. So thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up on your way out if you thought this video was helpful for you. And I'll put a link in the description below if this is something that you'd be interested in. No extra cost to you, but it does support the channel. Until the next time, have a great day.